Oh yes, here comes the man we are waiting on. Alright, we are first in line to pick up some road base. I asked the loader operator to load me with 8 tons of base. He's able to weigh the load with the bucket. Now we will go to the scale to see how much he loaded me with. All right, we got a pretty good load here. 8¼ tons. Always walk around and check your wheels. Okay, let's get this delivered, so we can move on to our next run. Okay, we made it to our address, where this road base is gonna go. Now we just gotta back it down this nasty driveway and dump it in some mud. All right, over there is where they want it dumped. And we got power lines up there. Customer just texted me and said that I can go and dump. Over by the blue building. I will have to bring the tractor back over tomorrow and move all of it from there to over here in this mud hole, which will be good because some of this water can dry up. Okay, let's go dump in front of the blue building. I should be able to keep from hitting the power lines. Looks like we will clear them. All right, we're ready to go tomorrow. Bring a tractor back over. Spread all this over there in that mud. Let's go. All right, it's another day. We're on our way back over to spread that load of road base we dumped yesterday. It is cold. We're sitting at a whopping 28 degrees right now. This is not what I want to go do. But anyhow, shouldn't take long. One load of road base, spread it out in the muddy water, and get them out of the mud and get loaded back up. Let's get started. All right, well, we made it. Let's get it backed in. It's cold and it's windy. Sorry about the wind noise. Okay, here I put the camera in time lapse. Alright, mud problem is gone. It didn't take long on there. As it was wet and a little bit of water, it's gonna be soft for a little while. Because now we trapped all the moisture underneath, but it will firm up and be fine. It's cold. Let's get out of here. Thanks for watching.